Go back to the channel. This is Mick with Fresh from the Range. I'll be getting into a disassembly and also cleaning of the MP5 22LR. Stay tuned.
At 6 o'clock.
So I do gotta say welcome back, and as I was stating, this is the MP5 22LR by Lumerics, but licensed by H&K. As you can see, it does have trademarks here. Took this out to my local range. I had an awesome time, a blast. And if you've seen my recent unboxing and range video, then you know that I did fire this thing and I haven't cleaned it up yet. I definitely wanted to disassemble and also clean as much as I can. So first off, we're gonna make sure it is on safe and also clear that chamber. And as you can see, it's clear and ready to go. And also while we're here, let's get a slap in. And that's what I'm talking about here. And first off, we're going to be removing these pins right here, and I would say use the back one first, and you'll see what I mean. So as that pops out here, then you're able to remove the stock itself. And as you can see, that slides right out. And we'll put that to the side. Now as that removes, you're able to put that down, and as you can see, the second pin, push in, pin is distended. Pull that, put that to the side, and you're able to remove the upper receiver from the lower receiver, and in here is the trigger housing. Now on the Walther version, this is actually all metal. In this case, I was surprised to see that this was plastic. There's a little bit of difference right there, considering if you're familiar with the Walther version of the MP5. Now we're going to focus on this MOK suppressor, and a lot of people don't understand how this actually comes off, but it's simple. Little bit of willpower, and we got it off. This is a full metal suppressor, so that's pretty good considering. And there's the hidden barrel, like I was saying in the other video, that the barrel actually reaches all the way to the end. See, the barrel actually sticks out here. You're going to want to push that forward. The bolt in the housing does push back, and you can remove that super simply. And from here, this is where most of the cleaning will be done. Other than that, if you want to delve in further, say remember, and this is important, that this does void the warranty if you go further into just this type of field strip. I have to realize something. I only put a few hundred rounds through it, and this is my first time actually cleaning from shooting it for the first time. And because of that, I really wanted to learn how to field strip the MP5 and actually learn how to maintain it correctly. So one thing I did want to talk about the bolt, thing about that void of warranty, because you can't completely open it. There is a way to pull the bolt back and then lock it in place, so you can get right into there. And I'm going to say this, be careful with your fingers in these spots, because there is a spring with retention in here ready to pop. That I actually went fully off the manual. Because of that, the manual does state it's best to put 2 drops in the mainspring and also a drop in and for the extractor. So I'm going to be doing that. Here I'm hitting that mainspring in there, and also for the extractor. And when you're done, make sure to lock it back in place and release that. It's pretty much all good to go. One thing about cleaning the barrel, make sure to use the right size tip for this, because you don't want to get one of these stuck in there. You can see this thing goes all the way down in there, which makes cleaning a definite breeze. Before I'm finished, I'm going to be adding some oil to the mainspring on the top, and we should be good to go. Now, as it was done before, go straight in to the upper receiver. Take that lower, put it in place, put the pin right back in, kick in place, slide the stock right into the grooves. That should go right into the spot. Take that first pin, put it right in place, got a nice click. And finally, we do got the MOK suppressor. Go all the way to the end, slide it down, tighten it up, just like so, and it's ready. There we go. Hope this helped out anybody out there who is looking into disassembling or field stripping and cleaning their MP5 22LR, because this is literally the first step for me, going to the range, shooting it for the first time, breaking her in, and coming back, field stripping, and cleaning it up. So I hope this keeps being awesome as it was the first time shooting it. Like I said, hope this helped. This is Mick, Fresh from the Range.